Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this foldable LED ceiling fan light. I already had this light for over 6 months now, and this is a very compact and great light to have if you want to add an LED with the option of adding a fan to your light socket. So this is what comes with the unit. So here's your light bulb. So you bring this down so you can direct where you want the light to be. It's a decent sized light, and it has the detachable fan blades, which are here, and it comes with the remote control. Turn the light on and off, and even change the fan speed with this. So the remote control, you need 2 AA batteries, which are not included. If you want to attach the fan blades, you just slide this into the openings. Very easy to do. Like so. So now you have your fan attached to here. Let me show you how to install this in the socket. So I'm actually going to install this in my reset lighting. So this installs in a regular light bulb socket. I'm just going to put it in. And just twist it, and you just turn it until it doesn't turn anymore. So it's nice and secure. I'm going to turn on my light switch so you can see how the light turns on. And then when I want to turn on the fan, I can turn on the fan so you can see the fan moving. That's on the slow speed. And then it goes number 2, number 3, and number 4. So this fan pushes out a good amount of air, so this cools the room very nicely. If you want to dim the light, you use a remote. You see how I'm dimming the light to make it a little bit lesser, and then make it brighter if you want it very bright. And then you're also able to change the color of the light. So I change the color there with the remote control in the back, and then you're able to decrease it or increase the light. And then if you want to turn on the fan, you can turn off the fan and just leave the light on, or have the fan on and just turn off the light. So this is a great addition to any house that needs a fan in their room. You can buy this from Amazon. I posted the link in my description. Overall, this is a great foldable LED fan light. I like how you're able to install this in any light socket. And so installation is very easy to do. I like how it comes with this remote control that you're able to change the light to make it brighter or dimmer, and then you're able to control the fan to the different speeds. And I like the compact size of it also. So this is a great buy.